Hi, welcome to Patreon and thank you very much for coming along. Now on my channel here, what I tend to do is provide step-by-step watercolour video tuition, and this is mostly working on painting with wildlife such as birds, cats, dogs, horses, even insects as well. So I will guide you step by step all the way through the process on how to do that. You will have access to the reference photo, the outline drawing, and even a monthly PDF to go alongside the video for each project which we do. You'll find the different tiers and the different levels here will provide you with different rewards. So it's well worth going through those and seeing which one that you prefer. And usually around the 2nd of every month, I will message you the full PDF document on the following month's project. Now you'll also have access to our Facebook closed group as well. So if you're on Facebook, you can pop along to that once we've joined Patreon, and you'll be able to join in with all the conversations with information which we don't put on Patreon itself. So choose a tier and come and join in with all the fun we have on here. And I'll guide you all the way through, as I mentioned, step by step, from start right the way through to finish. And any problems, I'm always here to be messaged as well. So come on board and join in with our friendly community, and let's paint wildlife in watercolour together. If you find it goes too thick, that's not too bad actually, that one, but if it does go too thick, you can obviously tone it down afterwards. Once it's dry, come back in with your dark colour and just touching these edges just to kind of fade it back down that little bit. So you can do that if need be, okay, so you can sort it out.